Hello, and welcome to COM375, Audience Response to Media Entertainment. I'm Kevin Kreisen. I'm your instructor. I'm a graduate student here at Michigan State, and welcome to this online version of COM375. This is a course that is online only and traditionally offered during summer semesters at Michigan State to communication majors. Overall, this course is designed to introduce students to media theory and research. Over the course of the semester, we'll review different theories that are detailed in our textbook and also on different readings that are provided on D2L in the Content tab. This course also places a lot of value on applying those theories to the real world because, hey, we want to use them, right? So discussions and assignments will ask you to apply what you read in a previous week and consider exactly how these different theories can explain your own media use. And we hope that by the end of the course that you, the student, will not only understand these theories, but you'll be able to engage in thoughtful discussions, think critically about your own media use and others. By the end of the specific module that's being taught on D2L, we hope that you will understand two of the major theories from one of the most cited and popular communication scholars ever, Dolph Zillman. Zillman is not only one of the authors of our textbook, but he also spent a lot of his life trying to explain the appeal of narrative media, so dramas, comedies, mystery, suspense. In week 5, we also detail uses and gratifications and the appeal of sports media, which kind of looks at the intersection of social uses and media use. So hey, water cooler talk, things like that. At the end of each lecture, not only will we ask you to read the different chapters and watch a short lecture video that will be posted in these sections, chapter 3 and 4, and chapter 5 and 9 at appropriate times on D2L, but we also expect that you complete quizzes, which can be found in the assessments part of D2L, and participate in discussion posts that ask you to try to relate these theories to the real world and get engaged with other students. The major assignment that happens in this module is actually a media diary assignment. So if we go to the assignments page, essentially this is a 4-part assignment, and there are small broken up for 4 parts. The first part is a media diary, which can be found here and should be submitted here, where essentially over the course of 48 hours you'll record your media use. After that, you'll post the appropriate results to a discussion. There's full descriptions to be found right here on D2L. Students will look at your own and you'll look at other students' results, try to find similar patterns, and maybe find a group that you can engage in a discussion via email, via Zoom, etc. to try to see where there are similarities, differences, and try to make sense of your media use over 48 hours. You will then complete a short individual paper where you look at the theories that you've learned and the results of your discussion, and be able to write a short paper that explains media use and makes suggestions for both you and people who use media similarly to you. You'll then post these to another discussion board, a short presentation of these results, that is, to another discussion board in D2L, which is found way down here at the bottom. And again, this is a short presentation with a PowerPoint video that is designed to just show off your results, what you found, and again, you'll look at other students and be able to discuss with them as well. A few other noteworthy things that you should look for in the overall D2L setup is communication. We have full email lists and class lists, very receptive to email, especially during business hours, and very responsive. In the Content tab, you may have noticed this already, but in the lecture section, you'll see different checklists. These allow you to track your progress for weekly assignments. There's also an Introduction tab, which has an overview of the course and is kind of like a syllabus and has learning objectives. This video will be right here. It's not posted right now. There's also a link to the discussion board here and to all assignments. So this is a really good resource to you. So now that you're done, you should go to the lecture tab right here in chapter 3 and 4 and start reading. Without any further ado, I'm looking forward to this semester with you. And again, ask me any questions if you see fit, and happy reading.